Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Mike. It's Friday, the 15th of March. Happy Friday, everybody. We made it. So here we are today. It's quad witching or triple witching, whichever one it is. But that means there's a whole heck of a lot going on in the markets. And when you look at the open interest changes, you can see that there's already been a ton of rolling out that's taken place in the market over this week, especially yesterday. And, at this point, we just have to look out and say, okay, what do we like? What don't we like? And what do you want to play? And then we have some big upgrades this morning. So let's just cut right to it. First of all, on the economic front, consumer sentiment, jobs opening, and Baker Hughes rig count. It's not a big day for the economic. Remember, the Fed's in lockdown mode because they're speaking next week. So first thing, we are up. We have a gap up to deal with. So Qs are right at the highs of yesterday. So is the SPY. This is not real. This is the dividend coming out. Right? SPY went ex dividend. Dividend comes out. The SPY is actually up today. All right. So let's go to our ES and go take a look at things here. All right. You can see the ES here, right back up to the high, right, touching just shy of the earlier high of 2650. We're right there. We're right on it here at this point, right? Everything looks fine and good, and everything looks great. Market's up big this morning, okay, based on a big upgrade to Amazon and favorable China talks. And if you didn't hear over the news, is that China and Lighthouse and Mnuchin having regular talks. And again, it sounds like we're close to a deal, probably sometime mid-April. So we'll see if these markets want to go with that. Crude, you get your rig count today at 1 o'clock, putting a new range high in briefly this morning up here at the top. Looks like they want to go. There's an article out there talking about how they're heading now into a supply shortage, which just boggles my mind. This stuff is so quick. It's so manipulated. If they want, they could turn the spigots back on and make so much oil they don't nobody knows what to do with it. So, it is what it is. It's artificial. Bonds doing nothing, coming back in, no fear here. Same thing with gold, right? Nothing going on here. Up a little bit, but nothing really special going on here at this point. And the VIX here telling us really nothing to worry about. Even new lows of this here, right? New lows now since the high we put it back here. So everything here is saying to us there's no fear in this marketplace, nothing to worry about. Sentiment's in our favor coming into this morning. Went over this last night in the webinar, but here you go. We are neutral on the put to call. Okay, dead neutral, which is fine. And the oscillators are below neutral. So, we dropped to negative 43 yesterday on the NYMOT, which is the New York Stock Exchange. And we are negative, 63 on the NASDAQ. So we're in good shape here. All right, so let's come home to the home. First of all, let's go with the bad stuff. Facebook, a couple key execs announced they're leaving right after the close yesterday. That's why you got that quick dump as soon as it happened. And you can see we're down here a couple points on Facebook. We talked about Facebook likes to bounce off the 21-day a couple times this week. Well, guess what? There it is. It's right on the 21-day. So we'll see how this handles that area, see if they come for it. Tesla had its event last night. Whatever, whatever. Come give us your money for a 2021 September delivery. I just don't see people pouring money into this company like they were before. I mean, this is just nuts. But there's their new crossover SUV announced. Okay, but Tesla getting hit on it, people didn't really take too well to what he had to say there, and that premiere. Let's see what else was bad. Oracle earnings were not good. It's down here. Been a couple upgrades this morning. Adobe also not good last night. Down a little bit, but not bad. Here missed. So all those shorts are still rejoicing out there. So we had a lot like that to the good side. Ulta was very, very good, up nicely here. Okay, 333. It's a new range high on this one as well. And Avgo, Broadcom was good. That will help the semis. So when we look at what's going on today already, you could already see some of the names are moving. Now, Micron is just got a downgrade. Okay, that's just coming across the wire now. Micron was up big and it got a downgrade, so we can remove that. But Avgo earnings will help people like NVIDIA, right? You can see NVIDIA curling up and AMD curling up. We'll see if AMD can find a bottom in this area today and start working its way back up. The big one this morning was Amazon. Amazon, KeyBank upgraded them to outperform with a price target of 2,100. And you can see this instant pop up and at 1,700. Now, this is one we have to watch today. One, because it's not up any all that big for Amazon. It's out of the Bollinger Band finally, It's above that 1700 level we've been talking about, and now does it try to move to 1725 or 27 today and touch the 200 day. So this is one you want to keep your eyes on today to see if we can get a move on Amazon here today. All right, nice big move already. Unfortunately, it's already up, 25 bucks. What are you going to do? Well, off the lows, yeah, about 25 bucks. So it's going to be a little bit of a tough chase. It is options expiration. Apple, we talked about possibly pinning at 185. Well, guess what? It's sitting here right now at 185. The 185 looks like a likely pin. 190 is possible as well, but 185 is likely where they're going to try to pin it. Disney, all that buying stuck. We'll keep an eye on this one. See if they want to get this one moving here as well. Kind of been going sideways, nothing going on there in that name. Snap, a bunch of the buying stuck. I can't say I have any interest in chasing Snap up here, but it's up yet again here pre-market. Take this all aside. You have a lot of names that are going to be up here at this point on this move. Even Twitter, which has been another name, stays on my watch list, hasn't changed, coming right back up into the range this morning. So honestly, my list is pretty focused today. I want to watch Roku, and I want to watch Disney. And then I'll keep my eyes on opportunities on Amazon and Square as well. And see what AMD does. See if Facebook holds this area. But overall, guys, these Fridays can be very choppy. Now, we have seen some of these Fridays where they just gap and go. So we have to keep on the eye out for it. But, most of the time, these days are really, 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 really choppy when we come into here. So we'll see how we deal with this. We'll see how everything goes. And I'll be live with you guys this morning from 9 to 9:30 and then from 10:30 to 12:30. Everybody have a good day trading. Catch you in a bit.